Hi everyone, my name is JC in Negative Zero. Today I'd like to talk about Wasteland 2, not about the game specifically, but something related to complex games like Wasteland 2. So yesterday I was browsing Kotaku and I saw the combat video posted there, which looked pretty good, if I might say so. I hope the game won't be a disappointment when it comes out in a few weeks. But the problem is that there was a guy in the comment section who argued that the game has bad design because it is complex, it is hard to understand, you have to put a lot of time into understanding the mechanics, and he doesn't have the time or the patience to do this, because he is a grown-up man, he has a family, a wife, a child, a mother-in-law, or a dog, or a full-time job. And he doesn't have time to play a lot when he has other things to do. Well, for that guy and others who think like that, all I can say is nobody is forcing you to play these games. If you want something more simpler, go play an Elder Scrolls game or a Grand Theft Auto or Call of Duty or anything like that. He said the same things about EVE Online, that it's a shitty MMO because you have to put a lot of time into checking data and watching spreadsheets, which is true, I admit, but it makes it a different game, not a bad game. If somebody doesn't like that, go play World of Warcraft, I don't really care. The problem is that it is not a separate issue. There are lots of gamers who think these days the same way, and developers try to cater them. That's the worst thing. Just look around in the gaming industry. Pick a game randomly and you will get a mainstream, easy to access, easy to play program, which might be good in its own right, but there are other gamers like myself who want something different, something more complex, something more old school, and we don't have those games, unfortunately. And if I say these things back to those gamers on the forums, then I am the bad guy, the stupid retard, the entitled gamer who wants every game in existence to be like Wasteland 2. I want every game to be super hardcore, super complex, when actually it is the other way around. Those gamers are the entitled ones, because they already have a lot of dumbed down mainstream games, which might be good games, but they are mainstream, easy to access games anyway, and yet they want the very few more complex ones to be dumbed down to cater to their tastes. And don't try to be like that. The best thing that can happen to the gaming industry is diversity. If we have the action-packed, easy to pick up, easy to play games like we have a lot of now, and we have the niche games, the more complex games, which you have to put a lot of time in. And if you don't like one or the other, just go play the other ones, and not go to the developers asking them to dumb down every game to your level. Well, that's all I wanted to say about this topic. I hope you enjoyed the episode. See you next time. Bye.